Good morning, this is Kavipriya, Assistant Professor, EZ Department. I am going to discuss about the topic Constitutional Functionaries from the subject Indian Constitution. So first, what is this constitutional functionaries? Constitutional functionaries are individuals or bodies established by the Constitution of India to perform specific role in governance, administration and protection of citizen rights. These functionaries operate independently and their power, duty and responsibilities are defined by the Indian Constitution. First one is under this constituent functionaries is the President of India. Article 52 to 62. The role of President of India is the head of the state and executive authority of the Union. The powers are legislative, executive, judicial and emergency. Under legislative, he summons and prorogues the parliament, gives assent to bills. Under executive, he appoints a prime minister, governor, judge and other key officials. Under judicial, he grants pardons and reprieves, despites and remission of the punishment. Under emergency, he exercises special powers during a national emergency. And next is a Vice President of India. Article 63 to 71. Role is a ex officio chairperson of a Rajya Sabha. Act as a president in the president's absence. Election is he is being elected by the electoral college consisting of members of both the houses of the parliament, both the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. And next is the Prime Minister and Council of Ministers. Article 74 to 75. Role is that they head the government, advises the President, collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha. Prime Minister's role is link between a President and the Council of Ministers. And next is the governor, article 153 to 162. Role is the head of the state, act as a representative of president in the state. And next powers are legislative, executive and judicial. Under legislative, he summons, prorogues and dissolves the state legislature. Under executive, he is one appoints as chief minister and other ministers. Under judicial, he can grant pardon for the offences under state law. And next is the Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commission. Article 324. Role is one which conducts a free and fair election for Parliament, State Legislature and officers of the President and Vice President. Members is nothing but comprises the CEC and other election commissioners. Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioner comes under them. And next is a Controller and Audit General. First, an article is 148 to 151. The role is one which audits the accounts of union and state governments. And next includes the autonomous bodies. Significance, it ensures a transparency and accountability in financial operation of the government. And next is the Attorney General of India, Article 76. Chief legal advisor to the government of India, and they represents the government in legal matter. That is the role of the Attorney General of India. He is one being appointed by the President. And next is the Advocate General of State, Article 165. The role of Advocate General of State is he acts as a chief legal advisor to the state government. He is being appointed by the governor. And next is the Finance Commission, Article 280. Role is one which recommends the distribution of tax revenues between the union and the state. Tenure of this Finance Commission is every 5 years it is being constituted. And next is the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, Article 315 to 323. It conducts the examination for the recruitments to the All India Service and Central Services. Members of this Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, is being appointed by the President. And next is the State Public Service Commission, SPSC, Article 315 to 223. It conducts a recruitment exams for state services. The members of the State Public Service Commission is being appointed by the Governor. And next is the National Commission for Scheduled Caste, Article 338. It protects and promotes the interest of the scheduled caste. Next is the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, Article 338A, addresses the issues related to the scheduled tribes. Next is the National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC, Article 338B. This type of body monitors the welfare of other backward classes, OBC. Next is a Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities, Article 350B. They safeguard the rights of the linguistic minorities. And next is the union and state legislature. Article 79 to 122 union and 168 to 212 state. The role is to make the law for the union and state. The functionaries are speaker, deputy speaker, chairman and deputy chairman. Final is the judiciary. Supreme Court Articles 124 to 147, High Court 214 to 231, Subordinate Courts 233 to 3237. They protect the Constitution, resolve the dispute, and upholds the fundamental rights. So that's all about the constitutional functionaries, and we have seen about the various constitutional functionaries starting from the President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Governor, Chief Election Commissioner, Controller and Audit General, Attorney General, Advocate General, Finance Commission, Union Public Service and State Public Service Commission, National Commission for Scheduled Castes, Scheduled Tribes and Backward Classes. And we have seen about the various special offices for linguistic minorities, Union and State Legislature, judiciaries. Thank you.